Hey everyone, I've got this Anatol Titan 7-color 8-station ASE, and what the ASE stands for is it's air-driven pallets and then it's electric motorhead. This would be comparable to the M&R Sportsman. That's like $60,000 or something. So again, all the pallets are air-driven, and then all the print heads that you see here are on electric motor heads. So what that does is gives you longer longevity of the print heads. You don't have to worry about as much sound with the air chopping back and forth for the print heads. It gives you better consistent print. So with a air-driven choppers here, it can kind of be more choppy, whereas if it's electric, it's a smooth back and forth pass. This machine is 2 years old. We bought it at the end of 2016, November of 2016, right into 2017. So I'm not sure if it's marked as a 2017 or 16 machine, but right at the end of that. It's, as of right now, it's got 48,585 prints, which is nothing for this machine. It's practically brand new still. Everything works great on this machine. I've had operators that have worked on M&Rs and then came and used this machine and loved a lot of the features that this thing has. It's got an LCD panel here that you control everything with. You've got all these settings that you can play around with. It's got a step back feature that it can do. It's got all kinds of crazy features, and whoever ends up buying this machine, I will definitely give them a 3-day training if needed. You know, if 1 day is all you need, then that's great, but I'll definitely spend the time to show you how everything works on it. This machine is still in use, just to let you know. I am still using this until it is sold. One other feature that I really like is this gadget right here, that what you do is you bring this out, set it, and then you would set it, and that way if you move the pallets, you can then set all the pallets to that distance, so that you know that they're all at the same distance. And this is definitely one of the features that people liked here that have worked on M&R machines. The other really nice thing about this is direction. This thing can go clockwise or counterclockwise, all at a touch of a button. So anytime you need anything, you want to change direction, you just push the direction button and go in the opposite side. Really quick and easy to use. You've got 2 different flash units that you can put on here. We've only got the one right now, and this whole thing does work. So let me show you that. Right now, if I was to turn on all the heads, all right. And the other thing I want to show you guys that's really cool about this machine is it's got a setting here for plastisol ink or water-based inks. If it's on water-based inks, it floods the screen. Let's see. You can control everything on here. And let me start the, oh yeah, so you push on that, it changes to water. Push on that, it'll change it back to plastisol. So if you set the machine to water-based inks, it'll automatically keep it flooded. If you set it on plastisol, it will not flood. All right, so let's put this on auto and hit go. And of course, you've got all the controls right here, and you've got the cycle dwell time that we can move this up a little bit. let's see.